Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Solanki. I am studying in first year of engineering. Currently I am learning robotics from Robopie. My coach is Amarpit sir. I want to address all of you for current problem that you guys are facing as stated by sir. So I am creating this video. The major problem that you are facing that the batteries you are using that are of around 11 watts and the ampere rating is around 2200 mAh. Okay, so the solution as stated by sir that all you should do, you should use LM2596 and like once you use it you have to step down the voltage from 11 volt to around 7 volt. That is most favorable voltage required to the Arduino function. Clearly once you will do that you have to use barrel jack to power the Arduino. As I have done in the circuit, you can see that the images are clearly seen, and once you are complete all this, your functioning will be very smooth. And for any other details, if you want any other detail, please comment down below, so sir will try to resolve all your problems and shortly. The updated circuits will be given so you easily make your Bluetooth controlling car and obstacle avoiding easily. Thank you.